To change your Instagram profile picture, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and that should open your profile page, and then tap on edit profile. Now it's going to prompt you to create an avatar. I can choose not now. And if you want to use an avatar instead of a profile picture, you can just tap on these avatar options and create an avatar. But if you want a profile picture, just tap on the profile picture, and then you can choose from your gallery, or you can import from Facebook and use your Facebook profile picture on Instagram. Or you can even open up the camera with this option and take a picture right now. So I'm going to choose from library and then pick a photo from my library. I'll pick, let me find a nice photo to pick. I'll pick this one, reposition it, and then tap on done. And it should change. Any second now. There you go. So that's how to change your Instagram profile picture. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.